Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous lecture I said about binary composition. Today I start to tell about groups. At first we see what is groupoid. So let us start. Okay, define groupoid. Let G be a non-empty set on which a binary composition is defined. Some algebraic structure is imposed on G by the composition and G binary composition, this becomes an algebraic system. And this algebraic system is said to be a groupoid. Okay, G be a non-empty set. We consider an example. We consider the set of integers, that is Z, and we consider a binary composition, that is plus. So we say that Z with a binary composition plus, this forms a groupoid. If we consider the same set Z and a different binary composition, that is minus, this forms a different groupoid. Now, a groupoid G0, this is said to be commutative. A groupoid this is said to be commutative if the binary composition is commutative. This binary composition is commutative. Then we say that G is commutative. Okay. And next, an element E in G that is said to be identity element in the groupoid G if A composed E that equal to A composed A that equal to A, this holds for all A belongs to G. So for an example, if we consider Z plus, this is a commutative groupoid, but Z minus is not a commutative groupoid, because if we consider two elements from Z, A and B, then A minus B not equal to B minus A in general. So Z minus is not a commutative groupoid.